communities at par with other cities. And investors across industries entrust their businesses to us. Upod ang tanan sa pag-uswag, sang trabaho, pangabuyan, kag negosyo. But we should not stop there. Padayon kita magadihon sa mga programa nga maka-level up sang pamilyang Ilonggo, kag sang bug-os nga syudad sang Iloilo. To reach that vision, we will rise to action in terms of health, education, and social services. In fact, may naumpisahan na kita nga mga core programs pareha sang Trabaho Livelihood Program, Rise a Farm, Merkado Lokal, Uswag Negosyo Academy, kag Grace Mental Health Program. In these past days have been a humbling and truly enriching experience to me. To hear from our various department heads. And I'm thankful for this smooth transition and excited na ako to hit the ground running. Just like in the upod ang aton nga mga alagad sang banwa sang Iloilo City Government kag kada Ilonggo nga mabatyagan ang pagbuli. Just like in the past, expect a leadership that listens, reflects, and innovates. With laser focus, we will roll up our sleeves, get to work, and move with every Ilonggo toward our vision. With your help, we will see every Ilonggo rise to success. We will build on a stronger foundation of good governance, but we will also push boundaries, explore new ideas, and elevate the way we serve. Last Monday, in his speech, nangayo si Mayor Jerry, kakuntani hindi niyo siya pagkalipatan that you will include him in your thoughts and in your hearts forever and in your prayers. Today, mangayo man ako sa inyo gamay nga pabor. Please include me in your thoughts and prayers. Agud dumalahan naton ang syudad sang Iloilo with integrity, compassion, and courage. As for me, I always have you in my prayers and in my thoughts and in my heart. And with God in our midst, padayon kag mas magauspag pagid ang syudad sa Iloilo.